my ex a tiny glass bottle full of my pubes.
Ew.
The fuck?
Whoa, what the fuck is up with this? You heard
Is
that?
Hinge bio?
Yeah.
Is she hot though?
No. And she has a kid. Let me send you. What the fuck? I mean, she's got an ass, but what the fuck?
There's no-
Fucking hell. Oh my god!
She's dead. Where's the another one?
Fucking mouth. I'm dead. Fuck this game, man. Like, how are you? Like, how do you have a kid when, like, your kid is gonna grow up in a orgiastic family because she's like non-monogamy. I'm currently partnered, but we are polyamorous, and I'm looking to expand my weird little family.
Poor kid.
Poor fucking kid. Yeah, I hear. Yep.
Nice. Watch out for more. Okay, I'm going in. Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in the building where I killed him.
I'm in from the back.
Okay. I just blew my arm off. I'm just gonna.
It's me.
Okay.
What?
Oh well.
Oh, I'm coming from outside.
I'm in.
Okay. What the fuck are you doing?
My bad.
What the fuck?
My bad. My bad. Fuck! I should have looked at your screen. Shit. Oh,
My god.
that was stupid of me. I'm gonna. Yeah, you just had that before.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't fucking know.
Please clip that too, then.
Of course I did. I was so aggressive.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get out of here. I got your gun. That was stupid. I genuinely thought there was someone there.
Yeah, there was someone there. Me.